Hi everyone, Francesca here from Scientiam. Today I'm going to show you how to run a live webinar or masterclass using the Scientiam platform, one of the best tools to engage clients, scale your reach, and position yourself as a trusted source of education for the next generation. With an estimated $84 trillion in wealth set to transfer to millennials and Gen Z over the next 25 years, now is a time to think beyond the current generation and embrace the platforms that let you educate, connect, and stay relevant. Let's dive in. From your user platform, navigate to your Expert Hub. Once you're in the Expert Hub, click on Sessions, create a new session, and click Live Class. At Scientiam, we've built tech that lets you engage the way that suits you and your clients best. Whether you're hosting an educational seminar or a hands-on Q&A, you have two options. Streaming is perfect if you're running a structured masterclass. On the other hand, the interactive is ideal if you want to foster live conversation, boost engagement, and build relationships with your audience in real time. User messaging is great to facilitate live communication. User uploads is if you want to gather documents, feedback. For this session, I'll enable messaging, but keep uploads disabled to keep things focused. From here, you can customize, public or invite-only access. Next, you'll be able to put in your session name and description. For the session message, this is an automatic note sent to participants when they enroll. It's perfect for keeping them engaged until go time. You'll also be able to select participant or observer limits, with up to 250 seats available. To take it a step further, you can personalize the experience by adding waiting room media or uploading learning materials or video. Session forms allow you to include quizzes or assessments throughout the webinar. This transforms your webinar from a passive session to a full learning journey. Next, upload your highlight media. This could be an image, or better yet, a short video explaining what the session's all about. Set clear learning outcomes and related skills. This not only improves your user experience, but also positions you as an educator and mentor, not just an advisor. Choose your occurrence. I'll be able to select my start and end date, day of the month, and time. I'll also be able to enable session fees. For example, I might say it's $10 to join this, and then I'll click Publish. There's never been a more important time to position yourself as a tech-savvy, education-first brand. Webinars are a powerful way to bridge that generational gap, showing your relevance, building trust, and becoming their go-to for financial education. Thanks for watching, and if you ever need help setting up your first session, the Scientiam team is always here to help and support you. Let's grow, scale, and connect with the next generation on their terms.